Hello everyone! It is time to begin the final project, which will be an interactive retail dashboard using Microsoft Copilot and Excel. The first step is to understand and explore the data. Welcome back. This lesson dives into the core of retail analytics and structured datasets. Whether building dashboards in Excel or using tools like Microsoft Copilot, understanding the data is the first step to uncovering powerful insights. A structured dataset functions like a well-organized filing cabinet. Each row represents a transaction, and each column provides specific information, such as the product sold, the region, the employee, or the revenue generated. This organization helps track performance, identify trends, and support data-driven decisions. Now in the dataset in Excel, let's take an overview. It contains 3 sheets, each representing a different aspect of retail operations. The first sheet is the sales data, which is currently open. The columns include date, region, category, product name, quantity sold, price per unit, total revenue, unit cost, and employee name. This is the transactional core, showing every sale, who made it, where, and how much revenue was generated. In Sheet 2, the inventory data tracks product name, category, quantity in stock, restock date, and unit cost. This information helps monitor stock levels and plan for replenishment. Sheet 3 contains staff data, including employee name, region, sales handled, and customer satisfaction. This data is valuable for evaluating team performance and customer service quality. Next, Copilot will be used to generate a summary of the sales data sheet. Open Copilot and request a summary of the table in the sales data sheet. The prompt is, "Give me a summary of the table in the sales data sheet." The output shows the data in the table along with key insights, including total revenue by indicator and a chart. The summary notes that the table includes columns already observed and, for example, in a given system, products were sold at a specific price per unit, generating the corresponding total revenue. Next, additional insights will be requested. Additional insights can be generated easily. Copilot will be asked to provide further insights. For the inventory data sheet, the insight shows the quantity in stock. The highest quantity is 235 on July 23, 2025, and the lowest is 35 on July 18, 2025. See the table for more details. A chart was created to visualize this, but it will not be used at the moment. This chart might be used later for the interactive dashboard, but for now, the focus is on gaining insights from the data. This provides a quick overview. The same request will also be made for the stock data. Alright, the process provided a method, but it wasn't exactly what was needed. This is the summary of the stock data sheet, though it wasn't clear whether a statistical summary, a fitted set, or a summary of specific metrics was required. Generating the insight shows the results, such as South 548 for West 504, for East 492, and 266 for North. This is the insight provided, which is sufficient for now. Understanding the data is the foundation of any good dashboard. Before creating charts or drawing insights, it is essential to know what the data indicates and what it does not. In the next section, the interactive dashboard will be built using this dataset. Excel tools like pivot tables, slicers, and charts will be utilized, and Microsoft Copilot will assist in generating insights automatically. I hope this session was helpful, and see you in the next one.